In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Samsung SmartThings Dishwasher. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Any modern dishwasher manufactured by Samsung can be connected into SmartThings. This allows you to see the current status of the dishwasher, allows you to configure the cycles, the speed, sanitize settings, and other different features. In order to get this done, of course, you will need the latest version of SmartThings. So open the app, tap the plus sign, and when you go into the Add window, choose the option to add a new device. When you select Add Device, among the list, you will be able to find Dishwasher. So just look for the Dishwasher option and select it. There are two main ways to add a dishwasher. The main one that I would recommend for most people if possible is to scan a QR code. This will either be on the device itself, maybe at the side, the top, at the bottom, or alternatively on the packaging. So look for the QR code related to your specific model. If you cannot find this QR code or it isn't working, choose the option to add without QR code. Assuming that you were able to do this, you will just have to select the Wi-Fi network and you are good to go, then you can skip ahead. But if you weren't able to use the QR code, when you tap this option, you will get instructions on what to do. Power your dishwasher and now press and hold the Smart Control button for about 3 seconds. So when you hold this button down for about 3 seconds, you will see AP on the display here. When you see the display say AP, this means that the dishwasher is now discoverable by the SmartThings app. Now, you will be able to select it as long as you are in close proximity of the dishwasher. There's no secret to this. If it still does not work, restart the whole process. Now, once you select it, you will be able to configure the location, which specific room of your home the dishwasher is located in, and then you can configure it as a favorite device. After it has been added, the status will appear immediately and you can configure all of the features here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about all of the features available, I just wanted to showcase how you can use it in conjunction with SmartThings. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung SmartThings Dishwasher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.